Well, there are a lot of Christians who are never Trumpers.
Sure.
They worry that Christian leaders who embrace the president and his policies are tarnishing the faith. What are your thoughts?
Well, first of all, you have to look at what he's done. He's done more for the African American community, and by us, more African Americans are working. He's done more for the Hispanic community, by more Hispanics working. America is back working, and that is good for everybody. It doesn't matter what color you are, or what religion you are, what your faith is. It helps everybody. And first of all, he's not a politician. He's a business guy. And for these people who are never Trumpers, I don't understand it. We only had two choices, him and the other, and he's done a tremendous job as it relates to pro-life. The Democratic Party is for abortion. They support that, and they're very clear on that.
And I think all of the Democratic candidates for president not only support abortion, but want taxpayers to pay for it.
No question, and that's so for these never Trumpers, my question to them is, then what do you really believe in? They must support abortion. They must not be pro-life. I don't know.